Hi, Amr here, and today we're going to talk about, at least briefly, the difference in types of soil and what that means to the plant. So when you're growing in a soil that is pure, that hasn't been touched, that no chemicals are put onto them, then you naturally are going to get a living ecosystem or a living ecosphere within the soil itself. And there's 150,000 different species that are living in the soil that is pure and that is part of a greater soil food web. Now, what happens is that when plants grow in the soil, and this is just one aspect of it, it's much more complicated than this, but I'm just going to give you one aspect of what happens when roots extend into this healthy soil and interact with this entire ecosystem, this universe of microbes underneath the soil. So plants extend out here, they interact, and they create byproduct minerals. These byproduct minerals are called humates. Now, when these humates are created, they enable the plant to uptake the minerals into the plant itself, and then the plant becomes mineralized or dense with not only the minerals that are existent that they've pulled from the soil, but also these humates. Now, when a person eats that plant, they receive the minerals from the plant itself, and then the humates go to work in your body at the cellular level, enabling the absorption of those minerals into your cells, in each one of your cells, as the cells need them. Now, what happens when this is a factory farm, so what happens when you use chemicals and you apply chemicals there, you affect the soil microbiome. You affect the bacteria, the microorganisms in the soil, killing some of them off and creating more of others and creating this imbalance. When this imbalance is created and you grow plants in that, you actually affect the way the nutrients are absorbed into that plant. And if that plant is also imbalanced, and when you eat that plant, you're also not going to get the nutrition that your body needs on a daily basis. And that's why it's so important for us to eat and know where our food is coming from, especially the soils that it's grown in, and making sure that the soil are full of the necessary microorganisms and the minerals that it is supposed to have. Until next time.